What's up, everybody? Alright, so today I want to talk to you about solar panels and how to avoid the same mistake I made. Alright, so I bought this cheap no-name solar panel on Amazon for $130. It was rated at 120 watts, but it was not bringing in 120 watts. On a clear sunny day, perfect conditions, I was getting maybe 40 to 50 watts, and so I assumed it would take about 5 or 6 hours to get a full charge, but no, it was taking all day just to get 40% charge on my solar generator. I have a Bluetti AC50. It's a 500 watt solar generator, and we'll talk more about that in the next video. So I ended up going to a local solar shop here in Quartzsite, Arizona called Bill's Solar. I paid $180 for this 100 watt rich solar panel, and it's been working great. I can pull in 112 watts on a cloudy day. It's charging up my solar generator much faster, and I've really got no complaints about it. It's been working really great. So don't make the same mistake I did. Make sure you do your research when it comes to solar, and don't waste your money on things that aren't going to meet your needs. I just wanted to bring this short video to you guys. Hopefully it'll help somebody out there, save you guys some money, and until next time, we'll see you guys on down the road.